Hey, greetings everyone. Welcome to 2026. This is my first recording of the new year, and I want to tell you a little trick that I've in the past talked about with some of my videos, something that I like to do. So imagine you're a salesperson or a marketing person, or you just want to learn more about a particular contact in Act Premium Cloud. So one of the things I used to be able to do is I could literally take something, select it with my mouse, and then right click. And one of the options in Microsoft Edge was I could do a lookup of that item that I had looked up. But that sort of went away. So when that went away because of the new option here in Act Premium Cloud where you can do some things, you can cut, copy, paste, or look up contacts based on this field. When this new option came up, that ability went away. So right now, I've hit the F11 key in my computer, F11, Frank 11, to make the browser full screen. I'm going to hit it again. And the reason I did that is I wanted you to observe the tabs up top. So now I cannot right click and do a search, but I discovered a new way to do a search. So let's say, for example, that you want to do a little research into Fred Flintstone. Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab his name, I'm going to select the text of his name, and this time I'm going to click on his name and hold, and I'm going to drag it up to a new tab, and I'm going to let go. What it does is it opens a new browser window. Now I've got my browser set to use Google as a search engine, and what it did is it did the lookup for Fred Flintstone. I'm going to go back to the cartoon and you'll see his name is still there. It didn't delete it, didn't move it, but it did a search. So let's say we want to find this zip code. I don't even know if it's a real zip code. I'm going to click on it and drag it up to the browser, let go, and it searched that zip code. And this actually happens to be New York zip code. So if you're sitting there and you want to do a little research on a contact, drag any of the information from any of the fields up to a new tab. Again, I have Google set as my search engine, so that's why it's defaulting to Google to do a lookup. So I thought that was sort of interesting, and I sort of discovered that by mistake as I was looking for information on how to do this lookup. Just something I wanted to share with you. Happy 2026. Okay, my friends, thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye now.